how'd it go at your pain doc? What did they say about your back pain this time?
Oh, yeah, it was all right. Yeah, but they didn't really have any answers.
Wait, what? Wasn't this the appointment that with that specialist, the one that you've been waiting for 6 months on the wait list to see?
Yeah. So the doctor said that I've got some degenerative whatever in my spine, but it doesn't really explain my pain. So it's just a bad back, and I should just take it really easy. Be really careful with my back, get lots of rest, no bending, no twisting, no lifting more than 10 pounds. And I should also do some more physical therapy.
Wait, so they want you to rest and they want you to do more of those painful exercises? That doesn't really make sense. Like, did you tell them that you've done that before?
Oh, yeah. Well, then he said that if it hurts more, that actually means that it's working. So I should just do more. Plus, if I want to get another MRI, I have to do another round of physical therapy.
Well, did you ask if there was anything else they can do?
Yeah, well, so he offered more injections, but I told him I didn't want more injections because they didn't work the last 7 times we did them. And then he offered a new prescription for stronger pills, and I told him I didn't want more pills. So then he said that there was really nothing else that he can do, except he did give me a referral to counseling.
What does that have to do with your back pain?
I don't know, maybe I'm just stressed.
Well, did you tell him how fatigued you get?
Oh, yeah, no, I did. And he said it's normal for a woman my age. So I should just get more sleep, lose some weight, and try to eat better. And then he's going to have me follow up in 6 months.
But you already eat super healthy. Listen, Sarah, I think you really need to check out this Dr. Alyssa girl. She's a pain specialist. She has this really great free training where she talks about one of the main hidden underlying causes of stubborn pain, and it's all backed by science. It's totally free, and it can't hurt to check it out. I'm pretty certain she can help you.